Hi, welcome to OB vlog number 2, and today we will be discussing the statement. Since personality only predicts about 10% of organizational performance, it is useless for organizational life. First of all, as mentioned in lecture, personality can be defined as patterns of behavior that are enduring and consistent. Through this week's readings and lecture, we were able to see the link between the results of personality assessments and job performance, and how there is more complexity to this than one would imagine, making us question the effects that the measured personality traits actually have in the organization. In the article reading Personality and Job Performance, the Big Five Revisited by Hertzen and Novian, we are able to see a research conducted in which the Big Five assessment is being measured in comparison to the actual job performance. Now, we are also able to see more emphasis on conscientiousness from the Big Five, as evidence shows that conscientiousness is one of the much stronger roles when it comes to personnel selection. Just to put this out there, the purpose of this research was to test the criterion-related validities of the Big Five for theoretically relevant dimensions of job performance. After the results were analyzed, the conclusion came to be that the validities of the Big Five, including conscientiousness, tend to be low to moderate in magnitude. So this further proves that personality traits don't usually work out the way one would assume in organizational life, as the correlation is not as strong as one would think. However, just because the correlation of prediction between these two things isn't as strong as one would assume, it does not mean that the Big Five and other personality tests serve as no use when it comes to picking out personnel. The article concludes with the suggestion that there's potential for improving the validity of personality assessments by perhaps being more narrower and precise, rather than greatly emphasizing the results measuring conscientiousness, as the other personality traits, being openness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism, are equally as important as conscientiousness. Also, as mentioned in lecture, when personality and organizational culture align, there is a positive outcome when it comes to organizational performance. So to conclude and to add it all up, personality traits is not useless when it comes to organizational life. It is simply a method whose results should be used side by side in comparison with other methods and other results, such as interviews.